Okay, it's time to add some smoke to my old fashioned. Now this smoker kit is way cool. Let me walk you through the process. So first of all, it comes with the wood chips. Comes with 6 different flavors. Today I'm gonna do the oak. Pretty slick, check that out. So you're gonna take the little shovel here and you're gonna load that into the cartridge. It goes right there on top of the metal spring. It's like a little arts and crafts project. So cool. Okay. Now you're gonna slide this guy into the side. So you slide it in there. Now I do like the nice touch. It's got a leather tab. Probably gets a little bit hot, so it's easy to pull that out. Then the next step is to turn this guy on. And then once you turn it on, you can adjust the intensity of the smoke based on the number of seconds that it blows smoke into your cup. So if you like bold smoke, a lot of smoke, anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds is good. I'm gonna go with 30. So hold this guy for 2 seconds. All right, now it's asking me how many seconds. Oh yeah, we're going up to 30. Looks like we're gonna do 32. And then I'm gonna place it over the cup. Oh, and then we'll hit play. Oh, here it comes. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, yeah. And then when it's done, it's flashing lights. Ha ha. Ah, it smells good. Okay, here's the test. Wow. Outstanding. I recommend it.